Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Julianne, or you can call me Julie. This is my sewing room slash photography room. I store all of my photography props in here, and I was hoping to make this my little photography studio, but it's just way too small. And then I got really serious into sewing and needed somewhere to sew other than the little corner in my house, so I decided to make this room more of my sewing room than a photography room. But it is a disaster, as you can tell. It is so bad, and I want to be able to come in here and enjoy this room again. I've just been so busy that whenever you get busy with orders and all of that, things just go flying and not be put back. So this is what's happening. So I'm gonna clean it out, and I'm gonna get rid of things that I can store elsewhere, and I'm also gonna give it like a little makeover. I do want to do an accent wall. I'm not sure what color, but not a dark color. I want to do a brighter color and not a dark color because this room is already small as it is. And if I do a dark accent wall, it's just gonna look really, really small. But yeah, this is my free room. We have our extra freezer in here, all of my props. This is where I'm gonna hang all of my sewing scissors and cutting board. I just don't have them hanging because, like I said, I had all of this inside a while ago because I was sewing all day yesterday. All of my fabric I'm gonna put into dressers. I'm gonna get that thing out of here. All of this is going, and then I'm actually gonna put a curtain right here so I can actually hide all of that because I do not need to look back there, because this is just where my backdrops are and my little kissing booth that I made. That is just a shower back there. It does not work. It was never finished. We don't know how to finish it, and honestly, we're never going to use it, so it's now just like a shower storage. But anyways, I figured I would do a clean with me in here and thought y'all would like to see my sewing room. These are some of my backdrops that are just flooring because y'all, I need help with flooring. Like, I have no idea what I want to do to the floor yet, but I do know I just want to do like the easiest and cheapest thing too, because as you can tell, it just gets messy in here, and I'm not about to spend a lot of money on flooring in here. I don't know, y'all give me suggestions what y'all think I should do to the floor. If I do anything to the floor, I'm not doing everything over there. It would just be a line right here and then yawn this way. So even if I didn't do like the flooring fully, I was even thinking about buying those little like those gym mats that like stick together on the ends like puzzles. I even thought about just getting enough of those to put in here and not have to worry about a floor at all. But I personally like to sit on the floor and actually cut my fabric and line it out because my tables are not big enough. But I also like to just sit on the floor. It's a lot easier. So that's why I put these down. I definitely need something right here. But anyways, enough rambling. Let's just go ahead and start cleaning this room and getting it good because I got things to still sew and I need to just get this room good to go. progress so far because I stopped filming to move some stuff around. I moved the dresser over. This is all of my, well, not all of it, but this is some of my photography props, all of my tripod stands, my ring light, reflector. I got my blankets and newborn wraps over there. Now I just need to tackle this part. Those are actually my photography blankets. They're just a waste of space if I leave them in here in the bag like that. So I'm gonna put them in my attic. And so now I just need to tackle this that I cannot move. I'm going to try to shimmy it over, but it is freaking heavy. And those cans are going. That's my fabric scrap. So I can't do anything with that yet. I need to go through and pick what is salvageable to use. So yeah, let's continue on. Okay guys, so it's a lot longer later, maybe about an hour and a half. I am finished putting everything in its home and organizing everything. So part one of everything is done. So now that I have everything organized, I want to get in here and paint, hang up some decorations, do a few more things to make it a little bit more cozy in here. So I'm just gonna give y'all after shot and call it good. There'll be a part 2 video in the future after I figure out what I want to do and remodel in here. Okay guys, here is an after. Maybe later on when I'm finished I could give a better tour, but y'all pretty much seen everything. So I got all my stuff hanging up. That's all my flowers for my photography. That top box is empty. That second box has all of my silhouette stuff in there, all of my cutting paper and vinyl and stuff. And then the bottom one, that's all of my like scrap fabric, and then a few baby blankets that I need to put away that were Haley's. This is going to go somewhere else where we store things. That box is their Easter baskets that I did not send back in time, so that's going in the attic along with all of this. And then I'm gonna put my serger here. I'm not getting it out yet to mess with it. And then my sewing machine. And then these are some totes and stuff I just got in the mail to make a few tote bags for a few friends. And then all of my fabric that is cut and ready to go. I'm just waiting for some zippers to come in, and then that's all of my photography stuff. You know, look, I'm already giving y'all a tour. But I am super happy, but I feel so much better now that it is clean and organized in here. Oh my God, y'all, it was a wreck. Y'all seen it obviously, and I just cannot work in that environment. I have a baby blanket that I need to ship out this week. So y'all, my walls are blank. I need shelves, I need decorations in here. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think I should do theme-wise, if I should not do a theme, if I should paint an accent wall, which one. I think this one might be easier because there's one. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.